How to make turmeric tea for cough and flu. Turmeric is native to Southeast Asia and is a member of the Zingiberaceae or ginger family. It has been used as an herbal remedy for thousands of years in Indian Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Drinking turmeric tea is believed to bring about several benefits. It is the good homemade remedy for dry cough and cold. In this video, we are telling the preparation of turmeric tea at home. Before watching this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. Ingredients for turmeric tea. 1. Turmeric powder. 2. Peppercorns. 3. Milk 1 cup. 4. Water 1 cup. 5. Honey or palm sugar. 6. Ghee preparation. 1. Take an inch-long stick of turmeric. Remember that turmeric powder is never as effective as crushed turmeric sticks, because the chances of contamination in the powder are high, plus its efficacy is also bound to reduce during the heat-generating grinding process. So, take a stick of turmeric and crush it coarsely using a mortar and pestle. 2. Crush a few peppercorns too. The white variety is better. 3. Mix a cup of water with a cup of milk, add the crushed turmeric and pepper and bring to a boil. 4. Simmer for 20 minutes. By this time, the milk will reduce to a cup. This is the reason why I suggest you begin with a mixture of milk and water, else you will end up with a very thick, kheer-like drink that won't be as soothing. 5. Remove from the stove, filter, add a spoonful of honey or palm sugar, and enjoy the drink warm. 6. If you are taking this to relieve a sore throat, add 1/2 teaspoon of ghee to the hot turmeric milk before drinking it. The ghee will melt and coat your throat, relieving you of cough as well. Prepare this remedy in your home and get relief from cold and cough. Comment below your results. Like and share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe our Green Info channel for more homemade remedies for your health. Thanks for watching.